never give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. All set.
Okay guys, so today we're going to be using the Morphe 35O, and we're going to go in with like that nude camel looking color, and we're going to use that first as our transition color. We are going to be doing a cut crease, as you've seen in the beginning, a yellow mustardy cut crease. Then we're going to go in with that brown. It's kind of almost the same as that nude, but just a little bit darker. And then we're just going to go kind of in the middle of like the lid and like the upper, like, you know, near the eyebrow, and use that also as another transition color. Then we're going to go in with that darker color on the bottom row. I believe it's the 4th color on the Morphe 35O palette, and you're just going to keep going back and forth in windshield wiper motions and start creating that cut crease effect that, like, you know, kind of like flares out. And then we're gonna go in with, of course, tape, the Tarte Shape Tape. I always use this in every video, so if you don't know, and now you know that that's my ish, and I literally use it every time I do my makeup. Not every day, but every time I do my makeup. And you're just gonna start forming the cut crease itself. And this takes time. Please do not rush on the cut crease. Cut crease is time, it is art. You have to perfect it, you wing it out, you know. Take your time, sis. Do not rush. If you're in a rush, do not try to perform a cut crease, because that's probably one of the worst decisions you can make. And also, I've been using tape, and I've just been fucking loving it. It's just been making my shit precise AF. So also a cut crease, you want a pretty precise, you know, cut, bitch. You want to cut a bitch. So you want it to be sharp and pointy and there. And then you're going to go back with the transition color and just kind of fade it with the cut crease, you know, kind of blend it in together, perfect it. If you don't feel like it's good enough, you know. Then we're going to go in with the Perfect 40 Colors palette. It's funny, this is just like literally a drugstore, or actually a beauty supply palette. It's not really the best, but I think my grandma gave it to me, to be honest with you. And I just wanted to use the yellow to start off the base, kind of like a mustardy color. So I just wanted to, you know, kind of get something going on and pat that in. And I just used like whatever yellow mustard colors I had. I obviously do not own a lot of yellow, but I did whatever I could and found what I could find. So then after that, I want to say we're going to go in with the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, and we're going to go in with that yellow, oh shit, like, what is yellow mustardy color basically, and we're just going to keep going in, like, whatever yellows I found practically, I try to use to brighten it up. I really need to invest in the Morphe 35B palette, I want to say. They have all the colors. But then we're going to go into Take Me to Brazil palette, and we're going to use both of those bright yellow mustard colors that I pointed at, and just keep on brightening the eye and enhancing the eye. What the fuck, I can't speak English. Then you're gonna go in with the NYX glitter eyeliner, and this bitch, you have to take your time, because if not, it's gonna smear. Like, there's a part, yeah, I lift my freaking eyelid up and it kind of like smears a little bit, but then I go back in with the eyeshadow to kind of help perfect it. But you're just gonna wing it out. Basically, it's like a second eyeliner. Well, actually, technically the first, if you want to get technical. That's your first eyeliner to kind of almost guide you. And that little black spot was really bothering me, but I couldn't seem to get it away. Like, it wouldn't go. Like, I was patting freaking eyeshadow on it and it just wouldn't go away. That really bothers me that it's in the video, but whatever. So then you're gonna go in with the NYX black liquid eyeliner, and you're just gonna do your wing, baby. And it should be pretty easy, to be honest with you, because of the tape. It helps you almost guide it. So yeah, I didn't want to do too much, like take my whole damn time to record the wing, so I just kind of did it. Then I'm going in with the Bare Minerals Lash Domination. As you guys know, I always use this. I actually really like this mascara, and also the Star Glue lash glue. I really love it too. Like, that shit will stick. Then you're gonna go under and get that fourth color from the Morphe 35O palette and just drag it under your eye. But yes, I really recommend the mascara from Bare Minerals and the lash glue. It's at the beauty supply. It's like $1 or something. It's super fucking cheap and it works amazing. Then you're going to go in with the Wet n Wild Illuminating Palette. I found it at Forever 21. I had never seen it before in my life, so I was like, a bitch got a cop. And I have like 2 of their highlighters, I want to say, and I freaking love them so much. Best drugstore highlighter, to be honest. So then you're going to go in with the Urban Decay 24/7 lip pencil and just lip line your lips, shawty. So you can have some kind of, you know, form to it. Sorry, I'm making ugly ass faces while I'm doing it. Then you're gonna go in with the NARS lip gloss and just put some, it's like a coral lip gloss. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy. Today was like a more yellow mustardy kind of bringing in the spring vibes, but not really, you know. And I did a cut crease. I haven't done a cut crease. Have I ever done a cut crease on my channel? I don't think I have. But anyways, I wanted to do a cut crease for you guys today. I honestly don't think I've ever done a cut crease. I'm shooketh right now. Like, you see my face, I'm like, bitch, what? You've never done a cut crease? Actually inspired by Tina Halada, however you want to say it, Tina Tuna. I love her videos, her, Shelby, and Daisy's, but I came across her look and I was just like shook. And lately I've been recreating looks a lot and I really wanted to do it. Like, I was just like, wow, yellow. Like, I haven't done anything with just like yellow, you know. So much for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, turn on that notification bell. Let me know what other videos y'all want to see, and thank you.